Hey, what's up, hodlers? Let's talk about what's happening in crypto world today. Over the weekend, you had a lot of excitement with Bitcoin seeming to break out at 40,000 and was trading at 42,000 US dollars on Saturday and early Sunday. Now, however, it's back to the 40,000 support level. ETH, however, has had pretty tremendous gains, which it hasn't handed back. It's trading over $2,630 currently, and the rest of the altcoin market also seems to be pumping quite a bit. So especially with Ether's stellar price performance, there's now a question of whether or not it will decouple from Bitcoin and have even more impressive results. And the reason people are asking this is because of a new update or a technical adjustment that will go live shortly on August 4th. It's scheduled to go live, so that would be on this Wednesday. And this update, also known as the Ethereum Improvement Proposal, EIP 1559. Analysts are comparing it to the Bitcoin halvening, which takes place every 4 years, which usually then creates a supply shortage and squeezes the price upwards. So what's happening with Ethereum is that all of these transactions that are being processed by miners, some of these fees are going to be burned, meaning they're going to take Ether out of circulation so that in effect, they're reducing the inflation rate from 4 to 3%. So it will be about double the inflation rate of Bitcoin. So they summarize it here as the EIP 1559 update is a software upgrade that fundamentally changes the way that transactions are processed on Ethereum by providing clear pricing on transaction fees in Ether paid to miners to validate transactions, and then burning these fees as a small amount of the tokens. The burned tokens will then be permanently taken out of circulation. So it will be very interesting to see if this is already priced in or whether there will be another price boost as of August 4th. So with Bitcoin being able to maintain its 40,000 support level and with the Ether upgrade around the corner on August 4th, it seems that the sentiment around the crypto market is finally shifting from being in an extreme fear level these past few weeks and months on the fear and greed index. It's now for the first time today entering greener territory. It's now for the first time again in neutral territory. Typically, if you have an extreme fear situation, just from experience, that's not a bad time to get in the market, as it could indicate that the market is oversold. And when you enter an extreme greed situation, which at the moment we're still far away from, that might be an indication that the market is overbought. So now for the first time in the last few weeks and months, we are again in green territory, in neutral territory in terms of sentiment. Speaking of positive sentiment, there's also news coming out of Germany, whereby there's a German law coming into effect August 2nd, so coming into effect today, whereby institutional funds are allowed to hold crypto on their books. So it says here, beginning on August 2nd, today, German institutional funds will be able to hold up to 20% of their assets in cryptocurrencies, possibly setting the stage for wider mainstream adoption of Bitcoin and other crypto assets by the nation's pension funds. Now, these special funds, or so-called Spezialfonds in Germany, are currently managing 2.1 trillion US dollars, and in euro terms 1.8 trillion euros. So 20% of that would mean quite a big boost. Tim Kreutzmann, who works for a German investment fund association, BVI, he is quoted as saying that on the one hand, institutional investors such as insurers have strict regulatory requirements for their investment strategies, but on the other hand, they must also want to invest in crypto. So quite interesting to see what that will do to the price. All right, that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.